Welcome to the instructional guide for Vertica, a device designed to help treat erectile dysfunction using radio frequency technology. This video demonstrates how to use both the Vertica and Vertica Plus devices. Within the storage case, you'll find the Vertica device, charger, pad attachment, a bottle of gel, instruction booklet, quick start guide, and warranty information. At the top of the device, you'll find the control buttons and indicator lights. At the bottom, there is a connector for the pad attachment. The magnetic charging connector is on the side of the device. To begin charging, connect the magnetic charger cable. It will snap into place automatically. Then, plug the charger into your power socket. While charging, two lights will illuminate. The green plug light indicates the device is connected to power, and the orange battery light indicates charging is in progress. Before the first treatment, fully charge the device as the battery may arrive partially charged. Once the orange battery light turns off, charging is complete. Disconnect the charging cable and the device is now ready for use. The device will not work while it is plugged in or charging. The device panel includes 4 buttons. The left button is the power button. A short press turns the device on, and the ring indicator light will turn on. Pressing again switches the device to RING+PAD mode. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the device. Use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the energy level. The device has 6 energy levels, shown by LED lights surrounding the energy button. Begin each treatment at level 1 for at least 1 minute to allow temperature adjustment. You may then gradually increase the level until you feel a pleasant warmth. Do not exceed your personal comfort level. To lock auto delivery, press and hold the energy button for 5 seconds, then release. Double press quickly when the blue light is illuminated and the energy indicator is blinking to confirm the auto delivery has started. The treatment should be performed seated on a stable, comfortable chair. It is recommended to sit at the edge of the chair, ensuring your thighs are parallel to the floor and the device rests comfortably on your legs. The treatment has 2 phases. The first uses ring mode, which treats the external part of the penis. The second uses RING+PAD mode, which treats both the external part of the penis and the perineal area. Each treatment phase lasts approximately 15 minutes. Before starting treatment, position the device with the logo on your left and the buttons on your right. Apply a generous layer of gel along the entire circumference of the penis. Open the ring by following the direction of the arrow. Insert the penis and gently close the ring. The device should make contact with your pelvic area. To begin treatment, press the energy button and the ring mode indicator will illuminate. You can activate auto delivery if desired. Gently and slowly move the device forward about 1 centimeter every 30 seconds from the base towards the glands. Do not treat the glands. After reaching the end of the penis, open the handle, return to the base, and close the handle again. Repeat these steps for about 15 minutes. At the end of this treatment phase, the device will vibrate and the blue RF light will turn off. In the second phase, we will add the pad to the treatment. Place a small towel underneath. You can apply a small amount of gel to the pad to improve conductivity. And sit on the pad in the perineal area, positioned between the scrotum and the anus. You can check placement with your hand. It is recommended to remove excess hair if necessary. Connect the pad to the lower port of the device. The cable attaches magnetically. Reapply gel to the penis. Insert into the ring and close the handle, just like in the first phase. Set the device to RING+PAD mode. Perform the treatment as described in ring mode, gently sliding forward every 30 seconds from the base to the tip, then return to the base. Repeat for around 15 minutes until the treatment is complete. The recommended Vertica treatment schedule is 3 treatments per week during the first month, then 2 treatments weekly in the second month, with at least 1 full treatment per week thereafter. A full treatment includes ring mode, followed by RING+PAD mode. This takes around 30 minutes, and you should not perform more than 1 full treatment per day. If you have any questions about your treatment, contact the support team for help. After each treatment, thoroughly clean the device and pad. Open the ring and rinse under cool water. Clean between electrodes and rinse the pad contacts that touch the skin. Dry all components with a clean towel. Then recharge and store in your Vertica case, ready for the next treatment.